If you're on the hunt for a top-notch immersion blender that blends performance with innovative design, the Breville Control Grip BSB510XL is a compelling choice. This blender is engineered to offer exceptional control, comfort, and efficiency, making it a standout in the world of hand blend. Let's dive into what makes the Breville Control Grip a must-have kitchen tool. One of the most distinctive features of the Breville Control Grip is its bell-shaped base. This revolutionary design, combined with internal ribbing, reduces suction and provides greater control over the blending process. This shape ensures that the blender performs efficiently, even when working with larger quantities or tougher ingredients. The innovative base design minimizes splattering and makes blending a smoother experience overall. Comfort is a priority with the Breville Control Grip. The blender features an ergonomic pistol-like grip that feels natural in your hand. The trigger operation allows for precise control over the blending process. Whether you're pureeing soups, whipping up smoothies, or making sauces, the ergonomic handle ensures that your hand doesn't tire even during extended use. The 8-inch immersion depth of the Breville Control Grip is perfect for large quantities and tall pots. This feature allows you to blend directly in your cookware without having to transfer ingredients to a separate container. The extended length ensures that you can reach the bottom of deep pots and pitchers with ease, making it ideal for preparing soups, stews, and other dishes that require blending. Versatility is key when it comes to blending, and the Breville Control Grip doesn't disappoint. It offers adjustable speed settings that allow you to customize the blending speed according to your needs. Whether you need a gentle stir or a high-speed blend, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve the desired consistency. This flexibility is particularly useful for tasks like making smoothies, emulsifying dressings, or pureeing vegetables. Protecting your cookware is important, especially when using a powerful blender. The Breville Control Grip features a non-scratch base, prevents damage to your pots and pans. This thoughtful design ensures that you can blend without worrying about scratching your cookware, which is especially useful if you have non-stick or delicate surfaces. Breville Control Grip comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind in case of any manufacturing defect. This warranty reflects Breville's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, ensuring that you can enjoy your blender with confidence. Pros and cons. Pros: innovative base design. The bell-shaped base with internal ribbing reduces suction and enhances control. Ergonomic grip. The pistol-like handle and trigger operation provide comfort and precision. Deep immersion. The 8-inch immersion depth allows for efficient blending in tall pots. Adjustable speed. Multiple speed settings cater to various blending needs. Non-scratch base protects your cookware from damage. Cons: limited warranty. The 1-year warranty might be shorter than what some users expect for a high-end appliance. Size consideration. The larger base may be cumbersome for smaller blending tasks or containers. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen blending tasks. Its innovative design, ergonomic grip, and powerful performance make it a versatile tool for a variety of culinary applications. Whether you're a home cook who loves making soups and sauces, or someone who frequently blends smoothies and baby food, this blender delivers on both functionality and comfort. The combination of a bell-shaped base, adjustable speed settings, and a non-scratch design ensures that you get the best blending experience possible. While the 1-year warranty might not be the longest, the overall quality and performance of the Breville Control Grip make it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. If you're ready to enhance your blending game and enjoy superior control and efficiency, the Breville Control Grip is definitely worth considering. It's designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and hassle-free, allowing you to create delicious dishes with ease. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.